Good morning, day 3, time to head for home. Absolutely glorious morning. I'll possibly run into rain later on today as I get towards Ballarat. Can't expect 3 good days of weather in Ballarat, not in a row anyway. So I'm backtracking to Matlock, and from there I'm going to turn right to Woods Point, and I'm going to take Moonlight Spur track which goes up to Mount Terrible track, and from there I think I'll go down Hope track and then decide if I go left or right from there. I was going to take Donald track, that is closed for winter. I thought it was the only one that stayed open out of them all, but that's the only one that closes anyway. Yeah, from there I can either go left pretty much the same way I came, or I can go right up to Wealdon and back home that way. A bit longer, but yeah, we'll see how we go, see how we're feeling by then. I swapped my good mirror over to the right hand side. Right hand mirror is a bit more important here. We drive on the left. For some reason I put the broken bit back on there. Don't ask why. Seemed like a good idea at the time. Probably could have just thrown it in the bin, couldn't I? Righto, just stopped for a break. Day 1 I had coffee and cake. Day 3, nuts and seeds and an energy drink. Not quite as flash. Anyway, it'll do the job. So here we are, Knockwood, Moonlight Spur track, Goulburn State Forest. See what it's like. Oh, another river crossing. Nice. Yeah, I remember ages ago I wanted to do this track and I couldn't find much info on it. I've got a feeling it gets very steep though. Ooh, which way am I going? Up that way? Hope I'm going the right way. Now, did I say I think it gets steep? Crap. I was not prepared for that. Don't even know what gear I'm in. I just had to go for it. Yeah, I was in second. Shit, where's my phone? Fuck. Wasn't on properly, was it? Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna have to go find that. If you can see that, my phone's just there. I just dropped the glove and I don't know where the other one is. Don't tell me I've lost them. The map was still open on it. Wow. Might be time for a pod lock. So I've retrieved my phone. It's kind of working. Some buttons aren't. Yeah, we'll keep moving. I thought I hoped it fell off just on this last rocky bit of the hill, so I walked down it. Unfortunately, I just kept walking and walking, and I ended up back at the first river crossing. It was in the water. Now, well, this phone holder, it's the Viper phone holder. It holds onto the phone really good. It survived all the corrugations and stuff. But it is very easy to not put the phone on properly, if that makes sense, because it's magnetic. It clips, you think it's good, and it's not on properly. Well, it looks like we're going up again. Right, what's the best line here? Right up the middle. Fool, mate, she's looking steep. Still in second though. this will make up for not going up Billy Goats yesterday. Worn myself out walking up that hill too. Hill's hard work. Much easier on the bike. I didn't want to ride down it because I'd be too busy concentrating on the track and I might not have seen the phone. Let's go, we're going up the centre again. We're going up again. If I get it in gear, there we go. Nice. Righto, we just got to go for it. Get in the first one nice and get in the first gear, I mean. Go, go, go. Going straight over the rocks. Whoa, that one nearly kicked me off. Yeah, I had a feeling this was going to be a tough track and I was right. Phone's still there, so it holds fine. It's just when it's clipped in properly. Another hill. Well, only wanted to pop the front wheel up there and it jumped the whole bloody bike. Far out. She's bloody rough too. So got at least another 5k's of this. Now, have I got past the worst of it? Who knows? Whoa. Far out. Gonna get down the first gear early. Come on, get a bit of speed up. Oh mate, that was a tough one. Whew. What has this track got installed for me? I can't see around that bend, it's making me nervous. I'm going to get down to first. Yeah, we're not too bad. Maybe. Oh, maybe. Far out. Come on, let's go, 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 go. Big hole there. Whew. Fuck. Oh mate, so close. Fuck, that's not a good spot. Something's dripping out of my bike, probably fuel. Fuck it. Far out. I got no hope. How do I get it? How much oil am I losing? Righto, we're up and running. Bars got pushed back a fair way. Hopefully I didn't lose too much fuel. I just put the last of my oil in it. The thing is, I've got to get up this hill. Easy to see once you stack it, but that left hand side had a big hole. I kind of tried to skirt around it, the back end slip just bounced me off. Yeah, it went down pretty fucking hard. The right hand side's not that bad. Thing is, I'm freaking rooted and my confidence is now shot. I've got bugger all run up. It's doable, it's not too hard, but I'm a bit concerned what the rest of the track's like as well. The bike fired up like nothing had happened. Oh, I know what I got to do to stick to that right. I've done harder. These freaking bugs. Bars aren't in the right spot. Yeah, look at that, easy. Yeah, just chose the wrong line. I'm going to have to stop and fix those bars up though. Oh, that's better. Bit of a relief. Lost another friggin' mirror though. Oh man. Righto. Here we go again. More hills. Mate, I committed to second, could have done with first. It wasn't a good spot to change. Whew. There now. Yeah mate, I'm feeling it now, my arms are stuffed from lifting that bike up. My fuel gauge is still pretty high, so I'm guessing I didn't lose too much. That is one hell of a tough track. So I've been up Hope Track before and then to Mount Terrible. That part of Mount Terrible track was pretty easy, just very rough. Hope Track can be very hard if it's wet. I don't know if it will be or not. Another little hill just to finish it off. Oh. Whoa, we're done. Oh mate. Well, yeah, this morning I was just thinking it's been a drama-free. Thinking this morning had been a drama-free trip. Oh mate, That could have been really bad. Mount Terrible track branches off a lot. You got a hard and easy option. I was looking at that. Well, I assume this is the easy option. It's not as steep, but it's friggin' rocky. Oh man. If you ever want to test your luggage and shit, Mount Terrible track's the way to go. You'll soon find out if anything's loose. It will shake the shit out of you. Oh, we got time to admire the views. Hopefully that camera's clear. I don't have a mirror to check it in. Oh, I just pulled up. Gonna have a break here, have some lunch. I'll have a bit of a chat about what happened. Pretty nasty accident, that one. Could have been really bad. It's on a road that doesn't get used very often. I was about 3/4 of the way through. I could have turned back, knowing there's lots of big hills that I'd already come down and up, or I keep moving forward on an unknown track. So one of the things riding alone obviously is dropping the bike and not being able to get it up again. So what I've got in these bags are ratchet straps. I've got first aid kit, my saw, a sling and ratchet straps. I've got a ratchet strap on each side. So what I probably should have done then is just got a ratchet strap out, dragged the bike to where I needed it to be. I kind of panicked a bit because I saw fuel coming out of it, so I ended up manhandling it, and now I have one very sore back. The crash itself, I come off pretty unscathed, but my back sore from lifting that bike. That was hard work. If I took my time, got the strap out, I could have lifted it. Could have at least got it into a good spot to lift anyway. Check these bags out. They did really well. No damage. You can see this copped the brunt of it there. No damage on those. Looks like that side's what hit. Yeah, this side's pretty clean. Dusty, but yeah, not mud. Yeah, I was pretty lucky really. Yeah, I'm just going to chill out for a bit, have some food, and then get moving. I got 3 hours 40 till I get home. Hope you've enjoyed the video series. I'll see you next time.